In this video, I am going to be showing you how to install YouTube app on iPhone. First, make sure you have an internet connection on your iPhone. Now look for App Store and open it. Once your App Store is opened, now click on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Search for YouTube in the search box. Click on it. Now click on this little download icon. As you can see that YouTube app is started downloading. Now once the download is completed, once YouTube app is opened, now allow the notifications for the app. And if you already logged in any Google account to your iPhone, it will automatically log into your Google account on the YouTube. But if you are not logged in, it will ask you to sign in. Just click on the sign in button and log into the app on the iPhone. So that's all it takes to install YouTube app on your iPhone. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.